Hi, I'm Dr. Henry Lemon with MUSC Pediatrics. We have offices in Northwoods, Monk's Corner. We have offices downtown Rutledge Tower. I know many of you at home right now are probably confused about what services are available for your children. I'm here to assure you that we have clinicians capable of seeing you in person or through technology such as video visits and virtual care. The technology that we use relies on cell phones, and we can simply send a text, make a connection, and see you, hear you, and be there for you. So although these times are unprecedented and a cause of disruptions, we are here for you. We want to take care of your children. We want to make sure that you know you can get in touch with a trusted voice, and so let us know if we can be of service. Again, MUSC Pediatrics is available here to serve you. And take care.